channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do blueberry cupcakes. Welcome. And these are our ingredients. Our flour 350 grams, our sugar 250 grams, margarine 250 grams, 5 pieces of eggs, and 10 grams of baking powder. Also, our essence, we are going to put a few drops of blueberry essence. We are going to start by putting our sugar and our butter. Inside, we are looking for the white fluffy color. Now we'll know our mixture is ready to go to the next step. Meanwhile, we're going to mix our baking powder with our flour. And also we are going to put our blueberry essence inside the eggs. That's it. Then we start putting our flour in bits. Speed. I think I'm ready. Our mix is ready. Now to pipe it into our cupcake cases. Blueberry cupcakes have cooled down. We will be piping them, and this is our whipped cream, and I kept just a little bit of the blueberry filling and a drop of blueberry essence. You can see our end product, the way our blueberry muffins are. They are so pretty. Please try my recipe and let me know in the comment section how your recipe went, and I'll be so happy when you try my recipes. And also, please remember to subscribe. If you loved the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and also subscribe to Ann Lele YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.